Okay, I'm back again, and I want to show us with this particular setting how we can set up a trade with $700. So this is getting conservative. I advise and I recommend the $1,000, $2,000, and so on trade that I explained in my last video. But if by any means you don't have up to that and you can have $700, then this setup is equally good, because it still has all the parameters of a good trade setup. It will handle about 97% dip as well, and that can is enough to keep you in profit, whether the market is in an upward trend or a downward trend. So let's go. So by now you know how to select your coins. You know that you should come to quantitative. So come to quantitative. It brings you here. So depending on the coin you want to trade, you can see it under general or under professional. So you should check through. So I want to use a coin called JST for the purpose of this illustration. So I think it's under general. So I'm going to type JST. So here it is. I click on it and it comes up. Okay. And I want to click on the trade setting, which I know by now you know that's where to go. So I click on the trade setting and it comes here. So all you are seeing here is all you need to just copy. This is a trade setting for $700. Please make sure it is $700 you have allocated for this trade. If not, there's going to be your trade can be hampered, or you won't have the result you should have. And make sure the $700 is untouched. So how do you go about this? So here it is. Just do copy and paste. Make your first buying order $100. This is also a bull setup that gives you a lot of money when the market is in an uptrend or is bullish. So make your margin call limit 36 times. This can buy for the dip for you 36 times. So you want to take 1.5 profit at every movement. Then put here 0.03. Just copy what you are seeing here. That's it. So I'm going to leave it for some seconds so you can see, and make sure you copy exactly what you have here. So once that is done, now we want to go and set our margin configuration, which is here. Just click here, margin configuration. That's the cocoa. That's the most important place. So now all you can see here is what you need to set. Now you can see from your first call, 0.7% drop, it will buy you 0.15 times. 0.15 times of your initial $100, that's your first buying order, we give you $15. So it means at every drop, at every margin call drop, it will be buying $15 for you. Though in some places it is set to buy more than that. Okay, it's not in this particular one. So let's check it. Let me take you through it again. So let me scroll it gently. So just whatever you are seeing here is what you should copy. For you that have $700, please copy the right thing and put the right input. If you didn't put the right input, your trade is going to be hampered and have problems. So you copy everything to the 36th call. I hope you are seeing it. Okay, just make sure you copy everything right. Make sure you copy everything right. This is a trade for $700. I think you are good to go. So once you have done that, let me scroll again so you can see. I just don't want to waste much time here. So you can see. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on confirm. So click on confirm, please, very important. So once you have done that, the next thing you also want to do is click on save on top there. Click on save. So you do that. Then always make sure it is on cycle. If it's not on cycle, just come here and click here. the one shot, then make sure here is on cycle, because this is cycle trade. You want the trade to go on forever and ever until you want to change it up, so you can have time to do other things. So it's a one time. This setup is just the only thing you have to do. Once you've done it, just leave your phone. You can even throw your phone away. It keeps trading for you. Your data is off, you are busy, you are sleeping, it keeps working for you. And that's the beauty of this robot. So once you have make sure it's on cycle, then also make sure your margin call is enabled, please. So that's why because the margin call is enabled, that's why you can see stop margin call. So make sure your margin call is enabled. You understand? Then the next thing you want to do is strategy mode. Click on strategy mode. Let's click on that so you can see what happens there. Click on strategy mode and make sure it is here. Put it here. Sub being mode real time settlement. Once you have done that, then click on confirm and you're good to go. And your trade is set up. Then the next thing you want to do is click on start, that blue button right there. Start. Click on start. Once you click on start, wow, your trade is up and running. Bear in mind, how do you choose your coins? Now, one of the one good volatile coin you can start with is AVAX. AVAX. So just search for AVAX and set it up this way. Or better still, you can go through the top 10 coins on the market, the top 10, and choose any of the top 10 coins. To get that, you can go to coingecko.com, Binance, or coinmarketcap.com to get that. Then now, another point I want to make is this. Because trading with $700 or $1,000 or $2,000 and all that, might not really give us much like when we are trading with $100,000 and more. That is where the real thing is. Trading with huge funds is where the real thing is. And to have access to huge funds, I advise that you take a look at the Royal Q VIP session. With the Royal Q VIP team building, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars very quickly. And we have our system for doing that. So in some of my other videos, you'll be seeing how to do that. So I don't want to talk much about that on this because I want to make this as short as possible. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this add value to you and you can now set up your trade with $700. Thank you.